Welcome back to Module 6, Closing the Loop in the Forest Wood Furniture Sector. In this final unit, we will look at exciting cases from the sector that have embraced strategies of circular economy. And by the end of this unit, you will be able to recognize inspiring practices of circular and digital transition in the forest wood furniture sector. You will acquire multiple references to be inspired from when implementing circular business models, and you will also be able to describe how some business models apply circularity thinking in practice. But let's start first with Woodly, a company that is disrupting the plastic industry by using wood as raw material. Woodly is a new type of plastic based on wood cellulose. It's an entirely new type of carbon-neutral and wood-based material for sustainable packaging and products that can be used to substitute the traditional fossil-based plastics. The material has been designed to be recyclable with existing plastic recycling technologies. Woodly, however, contains no traditional plastics. It's recyclable and the material mimics the best qualities of traditional plastics. It's basically like a bio-based plastic. You know that conventional plastics are made mainly from fossil resources such as crude oil, and bio-based plastics are derived from renewable resources such as sugar, woods, cellulose, or maize. The percentage of renewable sources depends on the bio-based plastic. The main raw material of Woodly is FSC certified cellulose. The main raw material used in Woodly's plastic is softwood pulp. It comes from certified forests, and the use of cellulose made from certified wood ensures that the pulp producer has taken care of the forest biodiversity. The second example is Spinnova, which is developing textile fibers originated from wood. Spinnova produces textile fiber from cellulosic mass without dissoluble chemicals. So the company sells technology licenses to fiber producers and finished fabrics to textile manufacturers primarily through joint enterprises. Spinnova collaborates with global companies, which allows the product to be founded and scaled more effectively than when operating alone. Today, Spinnova is the only company in the world that is able to convert cellulose directly into fiber without chemical processes. Spinnova's textile fiber is responding to the demand for more ethically sustainable textiles in the textile industry. The responsible sourcing of the textile fiber and the company's value chain are fully transparent. The fiber is produced from paper-based cellulosic raw materials using mechanical nozzle technology, which conserves a lot of water and energy. The finished fiber materials can be used in the textile industry and then can easily be recycled as new Spinnova fiber. Paptic is another example of circular business model aiming at replacing plastic in packaging. Paptic is developing an alternative to plastic based on cellulose. Paptic has developed a material that has a textile feel, is manufactured like paper and offers similar processing properties as plastic. The main raw material is cellulose fiber, and the material can be manufactured using old, upgraded paper machines. The result is renewable material which can be used for various things such as flexible packaging, mailing envelopes for e-commerce, for instance. Bags made from Paptic materials can be used multiple times, which reduces carbon footprints. The material can be recycled with cardboard waste, and it offers a new application for enormous obsolete paper machines. Paptic's customers include major clothing retail chains and specialist stores which are looking to reduce the environmental load of their business. Environmentally sustainable shopping bags and packages offer an easy way to communicate environmental credentials to consumers. Next example is called Ecovero by Lenzing, a sustainable viscose made from wood. So manufactured only from certified and controlled wood sources and produced with significantly lower fossil energy use and water than generic viscose, Lenzing Ecovero branded viscose fibers are certified with the internationally recognized EU Eco-label. The viscose Lenzing Ecovero is made from wood, which is a renewable raw material, and all wood is sourced from FSC and PEFC certified forest. A special manufacturing system enables Lenzing Ecovero branded viscose fibers to be identified in the final product, even after long textile processing and conversion steps through the value chain. The pulp of Ecovero consists of FSC and PEFC certified wood, which comes to more than 60% from Austrian and Bavarian forests. The pulp bleaching is 100% chlorine-free, and the fiber used do not come from monocultures but from a large array of sustainable forestry. Next example, Monti Nutra, focuses on side streams from the forest industry. Monti Nutra is developing health-promoting products out of spruce sawdust. Spruce gum, hot water extract, is made out of spruce sawdust to replace Arabic gum and guar gum for use as an emulsifying and stabilization agents in foodstuff, for instance. Another product made of sawdust is called xylitol, which is used particularly for alleviating lower urinary tract disorders and treating prostate gland enlargement. Monti Nutra solution increases the added value of raw materials generated as byproducts of the forestry industry. Next, cross-lam is a relevant example to replace concrete. Oisco and Cross-lam manufacture cross-laminated timber, CLT, elements from finished solid wood using cross-laminated timber technology that enables the replacement in buildings of load-bearing frame materials that are typically made of concrete and steel. The company's products are used, for example, in building wooden apartment blocks and detached house, and also in the wooden components of buildings. For the builder, constructing the frame of a building with CLT elements is considerably faster than using traditional beam-based frames. CLT elements are non-toxic and enable higher apartment blocks to be built quickly from wood. In addition, wood is much easier to work with as a material and serves also as a marketing factor because of its environmental sustainability. Destacline is using wood waste from the construction sector to make new construction material. Construction sites have a lot of leftover materials, and Destacline recycles this waste into new composite products such as wood stones for yard constructions and landscaping. The composite is an entirely new product innovation. Destacline wood stone is ecological and made of innovative recycled material. It's used for the production of an increasing number of landscaping products. Woodstone contains concrete mixed with clean wood fibers from recycled wood, which is used to replace some of the valuable natural stone material. The lightweight properties of woodstone and the utilization of construction waste brings an ecological competitive advantage, which remains at the same time socially sustainable. Next example is Hollywood from Belgium, which is recovering waste wood to design new furniture. So wood collected from old furniture is often being incinerated without getting a chance to be revalorized. And Hollywood collaborates with Emmaus to give old wood a second life in the form of unique design furniture. Hollywood furniture is made by 85 to 100% of recovered wood. In a macro value chain approach, old furniture and solid wood pieces are collected locally, dismantled and recovered so that it can be reused in new furniture. The furniture is handmade and created either in small series or as single projects, corresponding to the client needs, giving them as individual, personalized character. The association supports solidarity as the old furniture is obtained mainly from the Emmaus Social Cooperative that acts against poverty and exclusion. Next example is called Melu Doors and is developing wooden doors from recycled wood. Melu is a family company that was established in 1933 and manufactures doors made entirely from solid wood. And recently, Melu has been producing new doors from recovered wood. Wood materials are recovered from old doors and old wooden constructions to be reused as core for new custom-made solid wooden doors with a unique design. Recovered wood material valorization in high-end products give them a second life, as they would otherwise be considered waste. They substitute non-renewable materials and prolong the carbon storage impact of these products. Use of recycled material in customized products helps to raise awareness for circular economy among end users. Another example is M-Sora, a Slovenian example using social app to enable wood recovery. The company is developing social app to improve wood recovery by allowing users to send photos of excess or waste wood through the application, allowing the company to decide if they will collect it to actually develop new products. Next example is a collaboration of two companies, Solifood and Mondi Profluid. Mondi is one of the world's leading packaging and paper companies, mass production in more than 30 countries. Their mill in Kuopio, Finland, manufactures high-quality corrugated board for the most demanding conditions and end uses. At the same time, Soil Food is a market leader in recycled fertilizers and soil improvement fibers, and now serves more than 40 plants in Finland and in Sweden. And recently, the two companies have agreed on a cooperation in which the fibrous byproduct from Mondi can be processed into soil improver by Soil Food. So utilizing fibrous sludge from the forest industry in agriculture is very environmentally sound treatment. It not only improves the material efficiency of the industry, but also reduces the carbon footprint by reducing the need for fossil fertilizers and sequester carbon in arable land. Next is Receipt, operating also in the furniture sector. Receipt is a marketplace that connects companies looking to sell furniture they've outgrown with those looking to acquire great pieces. The company recently added a relevant IT feature to track inventory of furniture through multiple cycles. So this new membership-based tool offers businesses, facility managers, dealers, vendors, manufacturers, architects and designers an opportunity to become change agents with a proactive plan to take action now, empowering them to partner in the upcycling process and keep products out of the waste stream by leveraging a massive inventory of upscale furnishings while they are still in use. Stika, our final example, is also active in the furniture industry. And this Danish startup has created Loop Kitchen, a kitchen with replaceable parts intended to increase its life cycle. So Stika's Loop Kitchen is made from birch plywood, and the kitchen fronts can be left in a birch finish or finished with 4-bow linoleum in over 20 colors. Users can replace parts of the furniture as they become worn or broken, and Stika reuses or recycles the parts. Users can also trade the kitchen's old parts for new colors. And with Loop Kitchen, Stika aimed to redesign the way most modern kitchens are manufactured. Each Loop Kitchen has a digital twin, a virtual representation of the product that can be accessed via a QR code located beneath the sink. The digital twin keeps track of all installed parts in the kitchen and is linked to the online maintenance platform where replacement parts or upgrades can be ordered. And that's it for the final unit of Module 6. I hope you enjoyed this circular module, and I hope you enjoyed the Intrust course. Thank you.